Hello everyone. Today I have come with a new problem and it is to find the sum of the cubes of first and natural numbers. For example, suppose if I ask to find the sum of the cubes of first 5 natural numbers, what you are going to do? You are going to cube each natural numbers up till 5, then you add up. Then you get a certain answer. Now, the problem arises when somebody asks you to find the sum of the cubes of first 100 natural numbers. What are you going to do that time? Are you going to cube each natural numbers and then add up? It will take too much time. So there should be a certain formula for it. Today we are going to derive a formula for such questions. Is it clear? Let us come. Okay. Solution. Let S is equal to 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus n cube. Over here I have considered 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus till n cube. Its sum equal to S. Now, what to do further? What are you going to do? Next, what you have to do? We have n to the power 4 minus n minus 1 to the power 4 equal to, we are going to find the value first, its answer. What is the answer? Okay, let us do it. N to the power 4 minus n minus 1 whole to the power 4. Now this, we will expand this. This will be n to the power 4 minus 4n cube plus 6n square minus 4n plus 1. When you open up the bracket, you have minus n to the power 4 plus 4n cube minus 6n square plus 4n minus 1, and this n to the power 4, n to the power 4 get cancelled, so you are left with only 4n cube minus 6n square plus 4n minus 1. Now I am going to write it over here. What I got? 4n cube minus 6n square plus 4n minus 1. Got it? Now I am going to replace n by n minus 1. Okay? So writing over here n minus 1 whole to the power 4, and if I replace over here n by n minus 1, that will be equal to n minus 2. Okay? N minus 2 whole to the power 4. Over here 4 times n minus 1 whole cube minus 6 times n minus 1 whole square plus 4 times n minus 1 and minus 1. Again I am going to replace n by n minus 2. So I will have it over here n minus 2 whole to the power 4. Over here n minus 3 whole to the power 4. This is 4 times n minus 2 whole cube minus 6 n minus 2 whole square plus 4 times n minus 2 minus 1, and so on. Now I am writing it over here 3 to the power 4 minus 2 to the power 4, 2 to the power, over here also you are going to write, this will be equal to 4 times 3 to the power 3 minus 6 times 3 square plus 4 times 3 minus 1. Similarly, 2 to the power 4 minus 1 to the power 4, this is 4 times 2 cube minus 6 times 2 square plus 4 times 2 minus 1. And last, 1 to the power 4 minus 0 to the power 4. This is 4 times 1 cube minus 6 times 1 square plus 4 times 1 minus 1. I hope till here you have understood it. Now what I am going to do, I am going to add up the left hand side and the right hand side. Okay? See, once you start adding up the left hand side, you will find that n minus 1 to the power 4 get cancelled. Similarly, n minus 2 to the power 4 get cancelled. Likewise, n minus 3 to the power 4 will get cancelled. Now, over here 3 to the power 4 get cancelled. Likewise, n to the 2 to the power 4 get cancelled. And 1 to the power 4 get cancelled. Now what is left on the left hand side? It is n to the power 4 minus 0 to the power 4 equal. Now, come to the right hand side. What you will find? You will have 4 as a common term over here and write all the other terms inside the bracket. So I have 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus dot 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 up till I am writing n minus 2 whole cube, n minus 1 whole cube plus n cube. Put it under bracket. Next, go for the second column. You have minus 6 throughout. I am taking out minus 6 common. So what I am going to write inside the bracket? 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus dot 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 plus n minus 2 whole square plus n minus 1 whole square plus n square. Got it clear? Again, you have another column that is 4n minus 1. Throughout you have 4 common in it. So you can take out the 4 common. So it is left with so I can write over here 4 times it is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus dot 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 till n minus 2 plus n minus 1 plus 1 inside the bracket. Got it? Now you are left with minus 1. Minus 1 how many times? N times. So I am writing over here minus, this pen is not working, minus 1 into n. I hope till here it is clear. Okay, next. Now see it carefully. What I am doing now. This portion, this is equal to n to the power 4. Because when I subtract 0 from n to the power 4, it will remain n to the power 4 itself. Okay, now look it over here. This is 4 times 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube till n cube, and that is equal to s minus 6. This is the sum of the squares of n natural numbers, right? So what will its answer? I am going to write it is equal to n into n plus 1 twice n plus 1 divided by 6. Remember this formula. You have to remember this. Okay? Then you have 4 times the sum of n natural numbers, and that is equal to how much? That is n into n plus 1 divided by 2. And last we have 1n, and that is equal to minus n. Clear? Now see. Over here, when we calculate this 6 and this 6 gets cancelled. Okay, 2 times this gets cancelled. So what are left with? We have n to the power 4 equal 4s minus, this is n times n plus 1, 2n plus 1 plus, this is twice n plus 1 minus n. Over here, till over here, I hope everybody have understood it. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to carry this term and this term to the left hand side. Okay, what I'm going to get, just see, you have n to the power 4, this portion, this will become plus, isn't it? It will become plus n times n plus 1 twice n plus 1. Now this term, it will become minus twice n plus 1, and this, it will become plus n. I hope it is clear, which is equal to 4s. Till here, I hope it is clear to all of you. Okay, next, what we have to do, I'm just solving it over here. I'm taking this 4s on the left hand side now. Okay, well, this is n to the power 4. We can do one work. And what is that? We're going to multiply it. Or you can do one more task. Do some calculation with this term and this term. What you get common? You'll have n and n plus 1 common over here. Just see. And inside the bracket, you are left with 2n plus 1, and this is equal to this minus 2. You got it clear? I hope it is clear. See, I have taken n into n plus 1 common, so I am left with 2n plus 1, and I have only left with only 2 inside the bracket, right? Okay. Then one more n is over here. Leave this n as it is. Let's go for some calculation. We have n into n plus 1, and this is twice n minus 1 plus n. Let us do more work. This is n to the power 4. This is like when you multiply it. Let us multiply and write the answer over here. We are going to multiply and we are going to write the answer. Okay? Just look at it carefully. We are going to multiply it. Let's see. This is n into n plus 1 times 2n minus 1. I am going to multiply this. This is n square plus n times twice n minus 1. This is twice n cube plus twice n square minus n square minus n. We are left with 2n cube plus n square minus n. So I am writing it over here. This is twice n cube plus n square minus n. This is plus n. Let us reduce this. You are left with n to the power 4 twice n cube n square. Now what I am going to do? I am going to pull out n square common. So left with n square plus twice n plus 1. This is nothing but n plus 1 whole square. Okay. So till over here you have got 4s equal to this much. Now s is equal to n square n plus 1 whole square divided by 4. Can I write this one as n plus 1 divided by 2 whole square? Now this is our formula, what we want. Okay, so I'm writing it over here. Okay, therefore s is equal to n into n plus 1 divided by 2 whole square. And if you remember this part, n into n plus 1 divided by 2, it is the sum of first and natural numbers. So we can also remember it like this. Sum of, or you can write it like this, bache, like this. If you know this, you can find it. Means we can say that summation of n cube is equal to this. Okay. Now you can use this formula to find the sum of the cubes of any number of natural numbers from beginning. Is it clear? Thank you very much. I hope you have liked my lecture. Thank you. Please do like my video. I'll be putting more videos related to this mathematics. Thank you.